guys, what's up? Right now I have Rex, as you can see, and Cuddles. Who's that, Cuddles?
He means the world to you, and you know that. And I mean the world to both of you.
Well, as you can see that they're both on me.
You need me here to keep us
Say
all
hi.
together. We're like a family now.
Hey, hey.
We're fathers. Now, brothers.
I'm just going to put Rex back because he hurt his wing. Well, not broke his wing. Like he flew into the wall and then flew into a picture. So, but Cuddles, he's a bully. He bullies Rex. So, I might sell him. Maybe. No, actually, no. So, can you stop bullying him? Say sorry. Say sorry. Oh, you can say hello? You gonna say hello? You just said hello. Oh, you just said it again. Hey, no screeching. Watch this, watch. And then, goodbye.